So let's just talk about abstract class and methods in Python. So the abstract class and methods are part of the ABC, or known as abstract base class. So the abstract class is a class which contains at least one abstract method. So suppose we have a class X. Now the class X must inherit the ABC or abstract base class, and then the abstract class must contain at least one abstract method. That means the method without any definition. So the class can contain abstract and the normal methods, but to call that class one abstract class, it must contain at least one abstract method, means a method without any definition. And also, because this is one abstract class, we cannot create object of that class. So that is our abstract class. Let's now talk about the abstract method. So the abstract method is a method that has no implementation or definition. We just declare it inside one abstract class and it has no definition. Now to create one abstract method, we use the decorator abstract method, our abstract method, and the method which has no definition. So we use pass because it has no definition. So we have the abstract class with abstract method, means method without any definition. So any class that is inheriting this abstract class, so suppose we have one class Y and that is inheriting the class X. So the class Y must provide implementation or definition to the abstract method of the parent. So here it should define the abstract method body. So the child class must provide implementation to all the abstract method of its parent class. So let's now create one abstract class. So like an example, we have one class shape. Now to create the class as an abstract, we have to import abstract base class. So from the ABC, we are going to import abstract base class, and also because we are going to create the abstract method, so we have to import the abstract method. So the class must inherit from the abstract base class, and then we should have at least one abstract method. So let's now create the method area. Now the abstract method means method without any definition, so we're going to use the pass here. Because we are creating the abstract method, here we have to use the decorator abstract method. So now this is one abstract class, and inside that we have the abstract method, means method without any definition. Now suppose we have another class square. Now suppose the square is inheriting from the shape class. Now because the square is a child of the shape class, so the square class must define this abstract method of the parent class. So the square has the constructor which takes the side of the square, initialize the side. So now the square class must provide definition to the abstract method. So here we have to define that. So def area. Now here we're going to print the area of the square, self.side times self.side. So now we can create one object of the square class, and we have to pass the side of the square, and then we can use the object and we can call the area method. And here you can see the area of square is 100. So any class that is inheriting from this base class shape should provide implementation to this abstract method area. So like an example, here we have another class rectangle which has the width and the height. So because that is also inheriting from the abstract class shape, so it must provide the implementation to this abstract method. So here inside we have to define the area, and here it will print area of the rectangle, self.width times self.height. So now we can create object of the rectangle which has the width and the height. Now we can use the object and we can call the area method. So here you can see area of rectangle is 6. So let's just talk about the advantages of abstract class. So because any child class that is inheriting from this abstract class will provide definition to this abstract method. So we are kind of enforcing one structure to all the child classes of this abstract class. So here it guarantees that all child class will have the implementation of that specific method. So this ensures that the method name and the arguments are consistent across different classes which are subclass of this abstract class. And also here we have better code readability, and also we're gonna have the common behavior across all the child class of this abstract class. So the abstract class is a way to implement polymorphism in Python. So hope you understand about abstract class and methods. See you in the next one. Take care.